Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get the no beard filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. For this effect, go to the effects gallery. Okay, now I'm in trending section. Here go to the new. Okay, and remember this image. This is the filter. It will split the screen, and I don't have any beard, but as you can see, so this is the effect. Suppose you are not getting the effect from the effects gallery, then what you can do, go to discover and search for no beard. On the top row you will see the effect icon. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the page you will see the record button to use this effect likewise. And suppose you are not getting the effect from discover also, then what you can do, let me close this first. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap on the effect icon and open it with TikTok. You will be directed to the effect page again. Tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and there you go, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this no beard filter on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.